paradise.
The lakes of dreams.
This is Ras Mohammad National Park, a real paradise on earth, a pure untouched land. This isn't just a park, it's a breathtaking beauty of our planet. Keep watching to know what makes it so special. The iconic Rock Gate, a majestic icon of standalone rocks rising proudly from the landscape. Imagine pausing here, capturing a memory against this inspiring formation. Everyone stops here for a great unforgettable pictures. It's your very first breathtaking introduction to Ras Mohammad National Park. The mangrove trees. These trees standing as silent guardians where the land gently meets the sea. They are living sculptures, their intricate roots forming a delicate lacework in the shallows of the salty water they thrive in. And if you look closely, you can even witness the glistening salt crystals left behind on their leaves.
These are very paradise. So the sea is incredible, and there is here the opportunity to make sport, some fun during the night, and some beautiful excursion. A song, there are a lot of songs, but Farsala, Farsala, Farsala.
The salty lake. Here water is incredibly transparent with a stunning turquoise color. Invite you to experience something truly unique. You absolutely shouldn't miss the opportunity to treat your body to a relaxing dip in these waters, a revitalizing touch for the soul.
It was our dream to come here, so we hope that next year we will come here again. It's nice, it's perfect. The lakes of dreams. I like everything. It's amazing country.
Ras Muhammad Rock. This rock is one of Ras Mohammad wonders. Imagine yourself going between these mysterious rocks. The rock have stairs up till the top, each step revealing a more expansive and stunning panorama. On the top you will see wide, vast view of vibrant blues and earthly tones that steals your breath away. Watching the boats gliding silently and using the telescope to get closer look on this amazing horizon. The aquatic sanctuary, place where you can swim among incredible rock formations. This isn't just a swim. It's an intimate encounter with one of the planet's most extraordinary underwater heavens. The camping site. A site where you can spend nights under the starlit Egyptian sky at the camping site. You can bring your own tent or rent one in place. Remember, a simple permission from the gate arranged in moments can open the door to this unforgettable experience. The Visitor Center. Step inside the Ras Mohammad Visitor Center that unveils the secrets of this natural wonder, a sanctuary dedicated to the park's diverse wildlife both on land and beneath the waves. It's a chance to connect more deeply with the delicate balance of this precious ecosystem.